know that today's topic given to us is democracy. First of all, we all should know about democracy. Democracy means government of the people, for the people, and by the people. It comes into the prominence after independence of India in 1947. Democracy means a government in which people elect a leader to control the world, like India.
Democracy is a process in a country where people elect their leaders and they can do their work for their society. And also the history of democracy is from to after a Francis revolution where authoritarian state will be demolished and after that democracy will be established.
And democracy is a process in which we elect a leader by casting our vote. So this is the best for any country because the people in which
Democracy is a process in which citizens of any country choose their supervisor by the using of their vote. The supervisor who supervise them would be elected by the vote, as the proverb written by Abraham Lincoln. Democracy is the government of the people, by the people, and for the people.
India is one of the greatest democracy, and in the union level, we have seen that MPs elect their prime minister, and in the state level, MLAs elects their chief minister. So since independence, many great leaders found the base of democracy.
Yes, I agree with you, but I want to add one more line that democracy. What is if I talk about democracy? What is democracy? Democracy is the government of the people, for the people, by the people. According to me, it is boon for us. It is boon for us, and I really appreciate, really proud to say that I am a part of this country. Our country is the biggest democratic country.
And the great benefit of the democracy is that people have its own power, and leader also take care of the people, and they are want to be again come in the leader, become a leader, and they are developed the areas, and this is the main reason that our country increase developed by leaps and bounds.
I would like to add one more point that
in the world, and democracy give us freedom to select our supervisor. We are proud that we are a part of our country, which is the biggest democratic. And in this country, in the democratic country, people have right to people have more freedom like others.
As we know that there are many.
First of all, we have to understand what is democracy. Democracy is the government by the people and for the people of the people. And India is the biggest democratic country all over the world. And in democratic country, people are selected their leaders by the votes.
the benefit of democracy is that people has its own freedom to elect the leader, and they also participate in government, and we can select our leader by giving our vote, and we all should give vote, and we all should not waste our vote.
I want to add one more point that in democracy, media will be free, and every person have its own right to perform their religion and their own what they want.
In democracy, every single citizen had right to use the strength of their votes, and doing this, they got a solace, and nobody can harass them because they knew that after a few years, there would be election, and if they are not doing it, if they are not doing well, they will be eradicated from the government.
Yes, sometimes democracy came worse. If you suppose there are two leaders are in front of us, and one got 51% vote and another got 49% votes, how we can judge that the person who got 49% votes is not, and the person who get 21% vote is good for us?
Because as the proverb written by Thomas Jefferson, says democracy is nothing but mob rule. Because the 15% people are
Yeah, friend, I agree with you, but sometimes democracy became But as we have seen that there are many kinds of leader who target casteism, and democracy also increases casteism because that leader used to their speech about casteism, and they increase their vote bank by casteism.
And in the negative side of the democracy, that leaders used to like religion, caste system, and they are increase the violence in our country, and also increase the terrorism, because they are used to show that present leader are not able to survive the supreme the people, and this is narrow mind of the other person leader.
Yes, I am agree with you.
Mahatma Gandhi has said that the objective of democracy is to uncentralize the power of government, not to centralize the power. But nowadays we have seen that the government is being getting centralized. That's not
Democracy in democratic country, sometimes it is worse, because some leaders before election gave money greed for the people, to the people for vote, and after that they don't do what they said before election. So it is,
Democracy is good for the people who are living in a democratic country, because they are free to speak what they want. They have fundamental rights, in which they can get benefit from the country.
Democracy can be very good if a single citizen cast their votes without religion and without caste. Then democracy is very good for us.
Yes, I am agree with you, but I want to add one more line. Now the picture of our democracy is changing very rapidly, and on Monday our CM Yogi Adityanath said that some middle class men misleading the people, so that is not good.
If you are living in democratic country, people are free to go anywhere and free to do any work. This provides a lot of facilities that as a freedom, and provides freedom to work, and provides freedom to choose our leaders.
In democracy, leaders want to fulfill their manifestos, because they know that after a few years there will be election. If they don't do the right work, they will be eradicated from the government.
As we know that there are many loopholes in the democracy, but just as we have seen that many people did not accept the constitution in a country, and they became Naxal, as we know that in our country, 1967, after Naxal war which is happening.
Yeah, friend, I agree with you, and we can see that in democracy, every person has a right to fundamental rights, and everyone has to right to protest. And in our country, there are many types of people who are doing protest, but our government is forbidding them.
a good democracy can be acquired by if a person feels that he is the part of the democracy and he is governing the government.
every religion in a democratic country will be can be respected by the every person, and every caste and every religion should be also have a right to do anything for own religion. That is a very good.
Democracy is good thing for the people, because when we elect any leader in our country, we have also some sacrifice to elect them.
Yes, it is our responsibility, as my friend said, that it is, I am totally agree with you, that it is our responsibility that we should give our all the duties, that we choose the right person, and see according to the atmosphere, and see what was our atmosphere wants, and maintain our atmosphere by the using of right person.
Democracy will be succeed if every person in the society will be take their responsibility that they can vote for their right leader.
And in democracy, people choose their supervisor by the use of their votes, and doing this, they think that they are the part of this country, and and that is why they are always ready to sacrifice for the country.
But now in our country, the caste system is increasing day by day, and that is not good for a democratic country, because the caste system is very bad. A leader gave especially right for their caste that is not good.
At conclusion, I will say democracy is a boon for us. I want to say Abraham Lincoln's word: democracy is government for the people, by the people, of the people.
At last, I would like to conclude by saying that it's democracy is really for us to that this is very good for me.
At last, I would like to conclude that India is a democratic country. I really appreciate it that I am living in democratic country. Democracy is a boon for us, but there are some loopholes. But we also try to eradicate the loopholes.
I am proud to say that I am living in the biggest democratic country, and it is very good for the development of any country.
At last, I want to say that democracy is very good for us, and I say proudly that we are living in the biggest democratic country.
At last, I would like to say that democracy country is good, but it's our responsibility to choose our leader that is good and that.
At last, I want to conclude that India is the biggest democratic country, and we are part of it. And a good democracy can be acquired when every person of the country feels that he is the power of the government.
Democracy is a good thing. It can be more good if we cast their vote without any partiality.
Yes, at last I would like to conclude that democracy is a boon for us, and to test of the democracy is a full employment and full security, and we should improve the rules because it is our responsibility that we should elect the right person for our society.